Hey Marcus, this is Scott Tracy here at Tameron Hyundai, Alabama's #1 Hyundai dealership. I want to thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule to inquire about this beautiful Challenger. This thing is fully loaded. It is ready to go. As you can see, this thing is pretty. Sitting here on the showroom floor. Should be sitting in your driveway, so if you'll give us a call here at the dealership, 205-380-6250, or you can just come by and see us. We're at 1595 Montgomery Highway right here in the heart of Hoover, Alabama. Again, the number here is 205-380-6250. And Marcus, I guarantee you're going to love the way you're treated here. I look forward to meeting you, and have a good day.